Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Morelogin. It is a browser you can use your proxy on. First, what you need to do is to create a profile. You click on this icon here, this new profile. You can only create 2 profiles on a free account, and as you can see, this is a free account and I have my 2 profiles created already. So if I hadn't have a profile created, I would click here and create a profile. All you need for creation of a profile is the name of the profile. Now the most important part is where you include your proxies. So you come to this icon here, you see proxies, click on it, and it will now on the proxy as well, you can only create 2 proxies, except you have you can only create 2 proxy accounts, and of course it's sufficient. So if you want to create a proxy account, you can just click on add proxy and add individual. So these are the details you will need to. So the first one, the type of proxy. For me, I'm using socks, or if you're using HTTP and every other type of proxy, of course you can click it. We are using socks for this, so you click on socks 5, and this other setting you have no business here, so you leave it blank. And now the proxy server, which is the IP host, you input it and input the port here as well. Now proxy account, which is the username of the account, and then the proxy password, you input it, and you don't need to add any or here. The next thing you need to do is to check if the proxy is working, and you click on detect proxy, and of course this one is empty because I did not put anything. So let me show you the one which I have already inserted the details. So you can look at this proxy. This is the proxy, the IP, this is the ports, and this is the username, and this is the password. So at this point, if I should check if the proxy is working, so it's still loading. Can wait for a short while. Yeah, you can see pass detection, so the proxy is active. After including all your data, all you need to do is confirm and you are good to go. Now when you want to use the profile, what you do is you click on the start menu, so you can see this is New York City, United States. Now